Hello. Hello. Today we're going to clean and condition this seat over here, this leather seat. Okay. That's going to be my thing here. I'm going to get a little brush, stiff brush though, and get down in the crease there. I'll be right back. We've got a small bristle brush here. I'm just going to get down into the crack of the seat and get everything out of it. And just brush it right on out of here. Now, I've got leather cleaner, leather conditioner, a nice soft bristle brush from Chemical Guys. All right. So we're going to start off by showing you how this is going to work. Basically, I'm going to take some leather cleaner. I'm going to spray it on the seat a little bit. I'm going to just put it right here, a little bit. Then I'm going to agitate it with my soft brush. That's going to work down in the leather, okay? It's going to work down in the leather, and I'll show you what's going to happen. Just by doing this, it's going to lift the dirt up out of the leather, okay? You're just going to work it like this. Now I'm going to wipe it with a clean microfiber towel. You're going to see what happens. You're going to get dirt coming up out of there. All right? So I'm going to spray this down, and then I'm going to agitate it with my soft bristle brush. So that's the way you're going to do a large area. Small area is this brush. But let's get it going on this. Okay, gotta work it in. You can see it soaping up. You see it soaping up right there. That's getting the dirt out. When that does that, that means it's getting out the dirt. This is on any kind of car, any kind of leather. Any kind of leather. Just want to keep it a little wet. And just keep agitating the leather with the brush. And that'll work all that dirt out of there. See all those soap suds? That's the dirt coming up out of the leather. That's the dirt. Then we're going to take our microfiber towel and we're going to wipe that up, wipe the dirt off the seat. All right. Now I'm going to wipe the dirt off the seat. No special magic to this. Okay, no magic. You're just wiping. And you can see the leather looks a lot different already. Just by agitating that dirt out of there. You can tell it's cleaner. All right. Now we're going to do the base seat. Now this seat looks clean. This does not look like it used to. And you can see dirt on here. All right, you can see the dirt on there. Now we're going to do the base. I'm going to wet it real good. I should say put the cleaner on it real good. And then we're going to agitate everything up there. Okay? Then we're going to use our soft brush to agitate this and bring it to the surface, all the dirt to the surface. You see the dirt coming right up. And so as soon as you start agitating it, and you see those soap suds, that means it's lifting the dirt right to the surface. I'm just going to keep agitating this and cleaning it. All right. And now we'll dry the base. I'll let that dry a little bit. Just dry it some more. Now you can tell that's clean. Absolutely clean. Very nice. I'm going to do the armrest. And then agitate it. And then we're going to dry it. And you'll see in a second when that dries how much nicer that's going to look. For some reason, that was in slow motion. I can't go back and redo it. So I have my Chemical Guys leather conditioner and a microfiber applicator. It says to put 3 lines on the microfiber applicator and then apply that to the surface of the leather. That's what I'm going to do right now. And this is the conditioner. This is not a cleaner, just the conditioner. That's going to condition the leather. Probably going to make it feel slippery. I'm not really sure, but something like that. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it looks a little shiny to me. All right. Put some more lines on and continue. Do the armrest, that's been cleaned. We'll do up here, has been cleaned. We'll do this too. Okay. And this will dry and soak right into the leather to condition it. But I think you can tell it does look a lot better already. I'm going to do my front seat next. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to let this conditioner soak in and do what it's got to do to condition the leather. All right. There we go. And I'm going to move this all on the other side and reposition the camera. Okay, we're back in business. So we're going to spray it, agitate it, and clean it. I'll do the back of the headrest first. And then we're going to agitate it, lift the dirt off of it. You can see the soap suds coming up. That's the cleaner doing its job. That's lifting the dirt up out of the leather. You need a soft bristle brush for this, just like the one I'm using. There's no doubt. Do not use anything other than this. Let's get a little more on there. Now we'll wipe it down. It can start to dry. It takes no time to dry. Takes no time at all to dry. So the brush brings the dirt to the surface, okay? And then this wipes the dirt off. You can see the dirt on here. At least I can. I know it's there. I can see it. We'll let that dry, and while that's drying, we're going to do the base, the seat base. And that leather conditioner really makes a big difference in how the leather's going to feel after it's all dry and soaked in. Big, big difference. And we'll dry the seat. And this stuff dries very quick. Once you wipe it off, it's almost dry. Almost dry. Now we'll apply the conditioner. That's dry now, as you can see. And that's what I got on there. And now we're going to apply it. You just coat it once. That's all you got to do. Make it look pretty. And when you do a little bit, add a couple more lines. Okay. Now we'll wipe that down. And we're going to let it sit for a while. All right, it's all coated, all conditioned. We're going to let that sit for a while. And that's all we're going to do. Now we're all done. That was cleaning and conditioning the front seats. Just going to give a light wipe over here now. Just a light wipe with whatever residual I have left on here. And that's going to be it for now. We're going to shut the doors. We're going to let it dry in the heat. And that's going to feel great when we sit in it. Thanks for watching. And that is conditioning your leather seats in a 2017 Cadillac XT5. Well, at least the front seats, that is. Take care.